बहुत ठंडी है आज इधर तो। गुड मॉर्निंग। माय गॉड। यहाँ तो ऐसी हवा चल रही है और टेम्परेचर भी लाइक 12-13 डिग्रीज है। वाह, नाइस। चलो स्टार्ट। क्या टाइम हुआ है? 1 minute to have. You can lie down in Shavasana. Okay, let's begin. Legs apart, hands apart. विनय बस एक बार कैमरा रोटेट कर लो ना, लाइक मैं ऐसे उल्टा दिख पाए। हाँ, लाइक दिस। थोड़ा सा नीचे मैट नहीं दिखेगी भी, थोड़ा सा ऐसे फ्लिप। हाँ बस, परफेक्ट। Legs apart, hands away from the body, palms facing up. Close your eyes, neck straight. Just relax your body, relax your mind. Take deep and long inhalations and long exhalations. Try to keep your exhalations even longer than inhalations. Just focus in between your eyebrow center and keep focusing on your breath. Just relax for a while. Make your body, make your mind, make yourself ready for today's practice. Take 2 more deep and long breaths. With the next exhalation, bring your legs together. Hands over and above your head. Interlock your fingers, stretch them nicely. Stretch, stretch, stretch your whole body. You have to stretch. And then exhale and release. Take a turn towards any one side. And slowly sit back with your eyes closed. Sit in any comfortable cross-leg position. We'll begin the session with 3 Om chanting and a prayer. Inhale deep. सहनो भुनक्तु सवीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Gently rub your palms together. Generate nice warmth. And cup it to your eyes. तो हाथ भी गर्म नहीं हो रहे आज. Very nice. Look at your palms slowly and open your eyes. Okay, let's begin with breathing exercise. Back straight, neck straight. Kapalbhati we will do, both hands in chin mudra. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Relax your body, relax your mind. Let's begin with the first round. Inhale deep. And start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Exhale completely. Inhale deep. Let's get ready for the first round of retention. Inhale and fill your lungs to 1/3/4 of the capacity completely. And hold your breath for a while or as long as you can. Hold it. Keep your back straight, neck straight, shoulders relaxed. Keep focusing in between your eyebrow center. Keep chanting a mantra in your mind. It will be easy for holding the breath. It will keep you focused. 5 more seconds. Exhale and release. Inhale and exhale. Get ready for second round of Kapalbhati. Inhale deep. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Exhale completely and release. Inhale and exhale. Get ready for second round of retention. Inhale, fill your lungs and hold your breath nicely, softly. Keep yourself comfortable. Keep the focus. Let's hold it for 40 seconds or as long as you can. Keep your neck straight, chin parallel to the ground. throughout the practice. Five more seconds. Exhale completely. Inhale and exhale. Stretch out your legs if you need to. We will begin with Anulom Vilom. Sit in cross-leg comfortable position again. Left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Inhale and exhale from both your nostrils. Now close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale from left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both. Hold your breath. Hold it. Keep your back straight. Exhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both. Hold your breath. Exhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both, hold your breath. Exhale right slowly, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both. Exhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both. Hold your breath. Exhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both, hold your breath. Exhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both, hold your breath. Exhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both. Keep your back straight, neck straight, chin parallel to the ground, body straight, elbow close to the body. Exhale left, slowly, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both, hold your breath. Exhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both, hold your breath. Last round. Inhale left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Close your nostrils. Exhale right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Close both. Hold your breath. Last retention. Exhale left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Release your hands. Keep your eyes closed for a while. Observe the practice. Observe both the nostrils. This completely balances both sides of your brain and bring more focus. Just stretch out your legs and get ready for Surya Namaskar practice. Stand up on top of your mat on one side. Premlita, you can tilt your camera a little bit so that I can see your face also, like from mat to face. Or Vinay, you also like tilt your camera a little more. नहीं, इसी साइड रखो उसको और ऊपर की तरफ घुमाओ, लाइक ऊपर का दिखे थोड़ा. लिटिल बिट डाउन प्रेमलता, लिटिल बिट डाउन, लिटिल थोड़ा सा नीचे. Yes, Vinay, yours is fine now. Little more down. I cannot see your mats also. दोनों का mat also should be visible. Little mat and yes, Premlata, yours is fine. नहीं Vinay, mat नहीं दिख रहा. Mat भी दिखना चाहिए. Like for next practice, it will be little difficult then. Yes, I think now it should be good. Yes, okay. Come to top of your mat, front of your mat. Okay. Inhale and exhale prayer. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Slowly. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, right leg back. Slowly, front leg in between your palms. Front leg in between both your palms. Bring it parallel और 90 degrees रहना चाहिए. Push your back leg more back. Yes, very nice. Now your hands should be at the same place. अब दोनों के हाथ यहाँ से नहीं उठना चाहिए पूरी practice के time. Your hands will be here only. Take the other leg back into plank. Whole body in one straight line. Knees down, chest down, chin down, chest in between your palms. Hips up, yes. Exhale to inverted V. Lift your hips up to Parvatasana. Very nice. Push your upper body back. Try to touch your heels on the floor. Yes. Inhale and bring your right leg in between your palms. Very nice. Back knee on the floor, back toes flat, look up. Other leg forward. Stretch your arms in front of you. Inhale, come up, arch back slowly. Exhale and release. Left side. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left leg back. Left knee on the floor, left toes flat. Front knee in between your palms. Front knee 90 degrees. Premlata, front knee little bit forward. Yes. Other leg back. Hold your breath. Come to plank. Hips little down, Premlata. Yes. Bring your body little forward, Premlata. Like your hands and wrist should be in the same line. Yes. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Nice. Slide forward, head up, chest up, Bhujangasana. Elbows close to the body. Lift your hips up to Parvatasana. Look at your big toes. Inhale, left leg forward in between your palms. Between your palms, bring it, yes. Look up. Other leg forward. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, release. Second round, inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, right back. Other leg back, hold your breath. Knees, chest, chin down, exhale. Elbows close to the body. Slide forward, head up, chest up, inhale. Exhale, lift your hips up to Parvatasana. Bring your right leg forward, inhale. Right leg in between your palms. Right leg in 90 degrees, look up. Other leg forward, fold forward, exhale. Stretch your arms, come up, arch back. Exhale and release. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left leg back. Look up. Other leg back, hold your breath. Knees, chest, chin down, exhale. Slide forward, inhale. Head up, chest up. Exhale, hips up. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, other leg forward. Stretch your arms, inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Third round, inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, down. Inhale, right. Hold your breath. Both the legs. Both legs back. I'll only give breathing counts. Exhale. What is next step? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale, prayer. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale, left. Hold your breath. Other leg. Exhale. Exhale down, Vinay. Inhale, yes. Head up, chest up. Exhale, Parvat. Inhale, left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, release. Last round. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale right. Now Premlata, bring your right leg little more forward and make sure your right leg is 90 degrees like this. Yes, every time it should be not right leg, sorry, your front, whatever leg is in front, it should be always 90 degrees in line with your hands. Okay. Other leg back to plank. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale prayer. Left side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale left. Check your right leg, check your front leg. If it is 90 degrees, otherwise bring it forward. Vinay, back leg little more back. Feel the stretch. Yes. Hold your breath, both legs back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and release. Just keep your feet apart, hands apart. Take a moment, breathe nicely. Very nice. Now gently lie down on your mat. Lie down on your mat, feet together. We'll do leg raises. Palms beside your body. Just take a moment. Breathe here. Inhale and exhale nicely. Now prepare for single leg raises first. Feet together. Neck straight, back straight, lower body touching your mat. For single leg raises, keep your hands beside your body. Inhale, right leg up, straight up, 90 degrees. Exhale, down slowly. Inhale, left up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right. Exhale, down. Inhale, left. Exhale, down. Inhale, right. Exhale, down. Inhale, left. exhale down. Now inhale your right leg up and interlock your fingers behind your thighs. Pull your leg towards your face as much as you can. Now with the next inhalation, inhale, head up, chest up. Try to touch your knee. You can take your hands above. You try to hold your ankle, catch hold of your ankle or shin bone. Keep your knee straight. Very nice. Head down. Release your leg, exhale down. Same thing on the other side. Inhale, left leg up. Interlock your fingers behind your thighs. Head up, chest up. Inhale. Catch hold of your ankles. Try to catch hold of your ankles. Bring your hands above. Nice, nice. Give the nice stretch. Stretch it nicely. Exhale. Release your head. Release your leg. Get ready for double leg raises. Either keep your both hands under your hips or beside your body, or interlock and keep them under your head, whichever is comfortable for you. Legs together. Now slowly inhale, lift both your legs up to 90 degrees. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Do not touch them to the floor. Keep them 1 inch above the mat when you come down. And again inhale up. Exhale down 1 inch above the floor. Inhale up. Same thing for next 3 rounds. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Hold them here. Up, up. Yes. 90 degrees. Stay there. And with my count, come down 10, 9, 8, like a clock, 7, 6, 5. At 1 it should be down. 4, 3, hold. 3 pe hold. 2, hold. 1, down. Relax. Relax your breath. Relax it nicely. Next we will learn Sarvangasana or shoulder stand. Why we are learning this in beginners course, because you can see your whole body in that. So there is no risk, no problem. And this is the queen of all the asanas, shoulder stand or Sarvangasana. And it's very good for stimulating your thyroid glands, good for back problems. So if you have currently or at present, if you have severe back pain, then only you should avoid. Otherwise you are good to go. And if high BP is also there, then also you should avoid. So how you will do, I'll just demonstrate 3 variations of it. First one will be standard. So try first one first. So if you are able to do the standard, we'll do the same. Then I'll give you the intermediate version and the very basic version. So first you will try the standard version, in which you will lie down on your back, palms beside your body initially, and like we lift in leg raises, you have to lift both your legs up and push your body with your hands and lift your hips up as well. And then suddenly support your back. And to adjust, fold your knees and keep supporting, and you have to bring your legs completely above and look at your toes. So this is how we will be doing the standard shoulder stand. And from here, after some time, I'll tell you to, there's no space, I'll tell you to drop your leg one by one. So wherever it is possible, you have to move your legs. If not today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whenever I see you in shoulder stand, I'll make you do this variation. And then we'll move into Halasana, but we'll do it once you are already here. So to come out of the posture, what you have to do is, you have to bring your legs and come vertebrae by vertebrae. Do not just give a jerk to your body. Slowly you have to come out with support and release your legs. The second version of it will be, let's try the first one first and then I will demonstrate the second one. Lie down on your mat. Take a moment, prepare yourself, make yourself comfortable. Now inhale, lift your legs up, hips up, support, lift up, hips also up, both legs. Yes, very nice, Vinay. Premlata, one more time, lift your legs up from, suddenly, yes. Hold it, Vinay, hold it there. Support your back, Vinay. Not your hips, bring your hands to your back. Yes, and keep your legs straight, in line with your back. Bring them little backward, not towards your face. Legs and body should be in one straight line. Now slowly release vertebrae by vertebrae. Do not give a jerk to your body. Premlata, you can see me for the second variation. So how you will do is, you will sit like this. You will roll yourself like this 3 times. 1, 2, and with the third time you have to come like this and support your back here. And your legs are not falling like this. Your legs are in straight line with your back and hips. And to come out, again support your back and come out. And I'll just show you the third variation as well. So you have to go near to the wall in this. Touch your hips to the wall and then take the support, push your body up and walk your feet up to the wall and support your back. So this is how to start Sarvangasana, and slowly lift your one leg, then other leg. So over the time you will get this and slowly release. So we will try this 2 times. We'll try this 2 more times. Lie down on your mat. Vinay, you can continue to do the same standard version. You roll and do. Try it. Vinay, both like we do leg raises, like that you have to do. Yes, very nice, Premlata, very nice. Keep supporting your back. Inhale and exhale nicely here. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing. Very nice. Beautiful. Now gently bring your legs towards your face. And then slowly with support, vertebrae by vertebrae, release your body. Nice. You can tuck your t-shirt again inside and then let's try one more time. Very nice. Vinay, now focus on keeping your legs straight. See me one more time. I'll show you here, Vinay. So what you are doing is, you are coming like this. Yeah, one second. I'll show you from here. So what you are doing, you are coming like this, but your legs are like this. So bring your leg so that you can see your whole body in one line. You have to observe with your eyes. Yeah, my legs, my knees, my hips, everything is in one line. Okay? And in this time we will do the single leg touching on the back side. So prepare yourself for this, okay? So if you can touch the floor, that's fine. Otherwise we will just do alternate legs. Prepare. And Vinay, one more thing. What you are doing? You are doing one leg up and then you are giving a jerk to your body. You should do like both legs, inhale, and then you do like this. Okay? Like we do in leg raises. Okay, let's do one more time. Lie down on your mat. Yes, inhale and exhale. Prepare your version. Yes, very nice. Try to keep your whole body in one straight line. Keep supporting your back. Very nice, very nice. Premlata, legs straight. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep holding, keep breathing, and try to bring your hands to your back instead of your hips. Try to support your back. Yes, nice. Keep holding. Hold it. Keep breathing. Chin to chest. Now slowly bring your right leg behind your head. Left leg straight. Bring your right leg up. Left leg down. Slowly both the legs up. And then again bring them to your head. And then slowly release the posture. With control, release the posture with control. So this is really good for thyroid. It energizes our whole brain. When our whole body is like, what is the benefit of inversions? It's not only a fancy asana, okay? It has hundreds of benefits on our heart as well. So when our body works with gravity, our heart pumps, like our heart gets the release, or our heart gets relaxed. So it has to work little less at that time. So it gets the relaxation at that time. It energizes whole body. Blood flow is completely going towards our brain directly. So it stimulates all nerves in the brain as well. So this is the benefit of inversion. So there is no hard asana. Each and every asana is slow if you easy if you do it mindfully. So we'll do the counter pose for this, that is fish pose. So after you do Sarvangasana, you have to do the fish pose after that, or Matsyasana. For that you will lie down on your back, slide both your hands under your hips, and if you have any cervical pain or anything, then you will directly roll your head and place the crown of your head on the floor. Otherwise, the standard variation is lift your head up, chest up, look at your toes, and then chest up and your crown of the head on the floor. So you will be relaxing here, you will be breathing nicely, opening up your chest and heart, and then again looking at your toes, release your body. So this is how. Got it? Any doubts? So yes, I'll do it from here. Like this I'll show. Your hands will go both elbows together, hands under the hips. So इससे हमारे arm strengthening भी होता है. And then head up, chest up. लाइक हम लोग लेग रेजेस में फॉर सपोर्ट वी कीप द हैंड्स अंडर द हिप्स नो, उसमें अब एल्बोज को भी पास में लाने की कोशिश करना है इसमें. ठीक है, लाई डाउन. दोनों हाथ अंडर योर हिप्स, स्लाइड बोथ योर हैंड्स, कीप देम स्ट्रेट, डू नॉट बेंड देम, कीप देम स्ट्रेट. लेग स्ट्रेट. Lift, inhale and lift your head up, chest up, look at your toes. And then slide your head, put your crown of the head on the floor. Very nice. Open your chest. Stay there and keep breathing. Each and every asana you have to breathe nicely. Just keep focusing on your breath. Stay there. It strengthens our arms, wrist, shoulders. It increases the lungs capacity, and it's really good for relaxing also. Now inhale, head up, chest up, look at your big toes and release. You can always avoid if lifting your head up, chest up, if you have any severe back pain, spondylitis or cervical pains. So just relax, move your head side to side, shake your hands, shake your wrist. Nice. Now just take the support and come back to sitting and stretch your legs in front of you. We'll do Paschimottanasana. Lift your hands up, look up, give a nice length to your spine. Keep your back straight, body straight. And with exhalation, go forward, bend down and hold your legs wherever possible. Pull your toes towards your face and feel the stretch. Hold your body, hold your legs. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. And with every exhalation, try to go little down so it will be easy for you. Exhale, down, exhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. With every exhalation, try to touch your belly to your thighs. Stay there, keep breathing, keep breathing. So right now we are not holding for longer, but when you practice on your own, try to hold each and every posture for 1 minute at least. Keep breathing. Now stretch your hands up, come up, place your hands behind your hips. We'll do the counter pose. Behind your hips, yes, both the hands behind. And then lift your hips up, inhale, or in a tabletop position with folded knees, whichever is comfortable. Inhale, stay there, keep breathing, open your chest. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. And down, exhale. Now lie down in Makarasana. We learnt yesterday 2 poses, Cobra and Locust. Makarasana on your abdomen, both your hands above each other, your cheek on your palms, toes together, heels falling apart. Prepare yourself for Cobra or Bhujangasana. Now place both your palms beside your shoulders. Palms beside your shoulders, Vinay. Bhujangasana we will do. Your fingers in line with your shoulders. Bring your palms little down, Vinay. Palms little down. So it should be in line with the shoulder. Okay. Now head down. Keep your head on the floor. Legs together. For Vinay, you can keep your legs hip width apart. Now lift your head up, chest up, elbows bent and close to the body. Elbows touching your body. Premlata, elbows touching your body, bring them closer. Yes. And come down one more time. And look at me once. So you have to place your hands, come up this much. Now your hands will not come like this. You have to come only halfway. Elbows close to the body, ears, shoulders away from the ears. Let's do it one more time. Bring your hands little down, Premlata. Palms little down. Make sure your fingers and your shoulder is in one line. Your fingers are still crossing your shoulders. Yes. Vinay, yours is fine. Now lift your head up, chest up, only halfway. Your abdomen should be on the floor. Yes. Keep breathing. Now try to release both your palms and stay there up to where it is possible. Release both your palms. Release. Yes, very nice, very nice. Very nice. Look up. Exhale down. Just relax in Makarasana. Both palms one over the other. Place your cheek on the other side. Look to other side and relax for a while. Now prepare yourself for locust. Slide both your hands under your body. Elbows, try to keep your elbows together. Palms either facing up, down or making a fist, whatever is comfortable. Now inhale, chin on the floor, chin on the floor. Inhale, right leg up, right knee up, right thigh up. Do not tilt your body should be straight. Yes, chin on the floor always. Down, left leg up, knee straight, yes. Down, very nice, Premlata. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Now prepare yourself. Adjust your hands again. We'll lift both the legs up with the next inhalation. Chin on the floor. Inhale and lift both your legs up. Thighs up. Chin on the floor. Knees up. Yes, very nice, very nice. Hold, hold, hold. Up and release. One more time. Premlata, bring your elbows also under your body. Try to bring your hands and more under your body. Yes. Inhale, lift both your legs up. Knees up, thighs up. Up. Very nice, very nice. Beautiful. Stay. Keep breathing. And release. Okay. Let's learn one more asana. The same back bend today. So just lie down and look at me, or sit back and look at me once. So from here only, from Makarasana, we learn bow pose or Dhanurasana. So we will keep our knees apart. Knees are hip width apart, and then your head will be on the floor, and try to catch hold of your right ankle with your right hand, left ankle with the left hand, and inhale, head up, chest up, legs up, thighs up, look up and hold. So here you will not be rolling, okay? You have to make yourself stable even while you are breathing. This is your aim. to stay in one posture with breathing, and then release, and then again lie down in Makarasana for rest. And how to come out? Yesterday I showed you both palms up and relax. Lie down on your abdomen. Come into Makarasana. Head on the floor. Bend both your knees. Separate your knees, mat width apart. Right hand, right leg. Yes, very nice. Head up, chest up. Lift your legs up. Try to lift your legs also up, thighs up, up. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Keep breathing. Try to lift your body a little more up. Stretch your back nicely. Nice and strong. Exhale, release. Head down. Don't release your hands. We will do one more time. Inhale, lift your head up, chest up. Thighs up. Stay. Keep breathing. Stay there. Try not to roll. Keep breathing. Push yourself. Arch back. Yes. Yes. Very nice. Exhale and release. So with everyday practice, you have to arch little more back and you have to lift your thighs little more up. Relax in Makarasana for a while. Both palms one over the other. Place your cheek on the palm. Look at any one side. Toes together, heels apart. Just relax. Now bring both your palms beside your body. Head up, chest up, elbows straight. And sit back in child's pose. Come up. Come fully up like this. And then sit in child's pose. One moment, I'll just pick it. Relax in child's pose and sit back again. So last learning for the day. So this was one of the back bends, okay, bow pose. So this also strengthen complete back. This is good if you have any back issues. If you do it slowly, gently, with time, it will just release all the back pain, release any fluid blockages there. And it also strengthen your shoulders and knees as well when you lift your knees. Okay. So next one we will do is half spinal twist or Ardha Matsyendrasana. So I'll just show you first. This gives complete twist to our spine. So do it as much as possible. People again who have most of the postures who have slip disc or cervical issues should take care. Only if like cervical issue is there, then do not drop your head like this immediately. Everyone can do the pose, but with care. And for spondylitis or slip disc, they have to make sure or take care while bending asanas. So for Ardha Matsyen, we will first keep our right leg straight, left leg folded next to our knee like this, and then take our left hand, whichever leg is folded, take that hand, place it behind your hips, body straight, back straight. Other hand will be crossing outside. This is outside. I am pushing my knee and then trying to catch hold of my left ankle with my right hand and look back. So giving a nice twist to spine. Try to align your chin with the shoulder and looking back, and then look forward. Exhale and release. Same thing on the other side. Bending my right leg, my right hand behind my hip, arm up, stretch. You have to bring your tummy outside so that you will give nice stretch. Got it? Now both legs forward, back straight first. Back should be straight. Now bend your left leg close to your knee or calf muscle only. Now if you will bring it more closer, you will not be able to do the pose. Keep it near to your knee or to calf muscle. Left hand behind your hip, close to your hip so that your back is straight. On the floor, Premlata. Hand on the floor. Yes. Now lift your right hand up. Right hand up. Twist your body. Right hand outside your right knee. Left knee, sorry. Right hand outside your left knee. Like this, push it. Push your left knee from outside. Premlata. Knee with the elbow. Push your knee with the elbow from outside. Yes. Vinay, is your left leg bent or right leg bent? Bend your left leg. We'll do on the same side. And now right hand outside your left knee. Outside your left knee. Premlata, try to catch hold of your ankle now with this hand, with right hand. Yes. And look back completely. Give the twist to the spine. Yes, you also try to catch hold of your ankle and look back. Give a nice twist. Twist as much as you can. Feel the twist. Look back. Try to catch your ankle, Vinay, or hold your leg wherever possible. Ankle. Yes. From outside. Yes. Twist back. Hold. Breathe. Look forward. Release your right hand. Release your left hand. Release the posture slowly. Same thing on the other side. Bend your right leg, right knee. Right hand behind your hips. Left hand over and above. Cross your knee. Hold your ankle. Look towards your right shoulder. Right shoulder, Vinay. Look towards your right shoulder. Right. Look back. Try to look back. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Nicely. Inhale and exhale. Hold the posture. Do not hold your breath. And look forward. Release your left hand. Release your right hand. Shake both your hands. And then lie down on your mat for final relaxation. Tomorrow we will learn 3 more new asana, and from day after tomorrow we will practice continuously. So while relaxing, lift both your legs only 1 inch above the mat. Both your legs only 1 inch. Now flex your toes. Flex your toes towards your face. Release, flex, release, release. And drop it down. Lift only your hips up. Hips up. Squeeze your buttocks. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Nicely squeeze and down. Lift your chest up. Chest up. Only your chest up. Expand. Inhale and drop. Lift your hands above the mat. Make a tight fist. Tight fist, open, close, open, close, open, close, and release. Bring your shoulder to your ears, shrug them nicely, and release. Move your head to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the center. Squeeze your face completely. I, E, O. Make all the vowels and stretch it nicely. Slowly open your eyes. Bring your tongue completely outside. Give the nice stretch to the back of your tongue and release. Remove any watch, specs from your body and lie down for Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Palms facing towards the sky. Make yourself comfortable. Make any final adjustments. After that, do not try to move your body. We'll do deep relaxation, the deep meditation. Analyze your complete body. Inhale and exhale. Just keep focusing on your breath. We'll try to relax each and every body part. Bring your focus to your legs. Relax the toes of your right leg. Relax your right ankle. Relax your right knee, your right thigh. Relax your left toes. Relax your left ankles, left calf muscles, left knee, left thigh. Relax your hips. Relax your lower back, your middle back, your upper back. Feel your back completely touching the floor. Relax your right fingers, your right wrist, right elbow, right shoulder, right arm. Relax your left fingers, left side of wrist, left elbow, left arm, left shoulder. Relax your whole body from shoulder to bottom. Relax your head. Relax your internal organs. Relax your abdomen, your kidney, your heart, your pancreas and liver. Relax your eyes, nose, your head, your throat, your whole body from top of your head to toes is now completely relaxed. Keep focusing in between your eyebrow center. Bring the awareness to your body. Feel your body completely on the mat. Feel grateful for yourself, for your practice. You did wonderful on the mat. You will do even better tomorrow. You did great today. Feel grateful for everything you have, everyone around you. Keep your focus on your breath, on your body. Keep the same energy throughout the day. Slowly bring the awareness back to your body, to your surrounding. Observe the noise around you. Now slowly feel your legs, wriggle your toes, slowly wriggle your arms, fingers, feel your fingers. Gently bring both your legs together, stretch your arms over and above your head, give a nice stretch to your body and exhale and release. Take turn towards any one side. Sit back, keeping your eyes closed, keep all the energy intact. We will end the session with 3 Om chanting and Shanti mantra. Inhale. पूर्णमिदं पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Gently rub your palms together. Generate nice heat. Cup them to your eyes, your face, your heart. Rub them again. Give the warmth to your heart. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Enjoy the Saturday. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.